I mean, to find the house, but how is it? There's a poker that is a WS Duty. Yeah, but he's over here. Oh, there comes out coming off the back line. Is it the beautiful train one or is it the unbeautiful one? Yep, it's the beautiful livery one. Oh, my favourite livery. Yeah, the thing is dull, but it isn't. It's a nice new livery colour. I keep chasing the 444 number 40. I've seen it about 3 times today. Brookwood, when we went from Alton to Waterloo, and now this was doing the return back to Waterloo. It's not dull, it's beautiful. And it's fit for the future, that train.
The next train to the one is the 1350 Southwestern Railway.
Platform 2 for the 1347 Southwestern Railway service to London Waterloo. Calling at Winchester, Micheldever, Basingstoke.
Oh, look at the beautiful stripes. It's not dull, it's beautiful. I like to film this one for YouTube. Isn't it just amazing livery? It's not dull, it's beautiful. It's fit for the future, this train, so I love it. And if people don't have the duff, it's going to take it. It's going to be here for a long time. Oh, it's got a plug in to get on board. There he goes now. There goes Portsmouth journey to London Waterloo. Well, it's good to see the new livery train today. It's not dull, it's absolutely beautiful. There you go, the D-Day story one. I'd like to chase this train wherever I go on it. There goes the beautiful train. 444 number 40 goes away. Goodbye 444 number 40. Oh, absolutely amazing. Seen that 3 times today. I know it's a bit dirty back, but well, at least I got my favourite train. Oh, 444 number 40.
Ah, right.
It's amazing, beautiful colours. And as that train goes away, we've got 158880 going to Romsey via China's Ford. And that one seems to be running dead on time. Here, snake bell. And we'll get the